And that question is this one. It is on the screen, so please children, here what we have to do, we have to transform the upper matrix into the final matrix which is given below. So initially, suppose the elements of the matrix are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. And then the transformed matrix will be like this 8, 87, 8, 5, 1. अब जो भी है देखिए ध्यान से. Please go through this properly. And it is a square matrix. What to do? First of all, you have to try to find out the solution. What to do with this? Just by swapping the row and column, the solution will not come. So please attempt this question, children. And anybody, if could please give me the logic of this. This is the main diagonal, which is known as the right diagonal. Sorry, left diagonal. This is the left diagonal. This one. And if we transpose the given matrix, after transposing, this very first column will become the very first row. So like here 1, 5, 8 and 87, and then the second column will become the second row, so that is 2, 6, 9 and 65, and then the third column, that is 3, 7, 0 and 45, and finally the fourth column, that is 4, 8, 23 and 34. So after we have done this, if we just swap the columns, so first and last column will be swapped, and then second and second last column will be swapped. So basically there are two operations which you people have to implement, and remember that this is a square matrix. Second thing, you have to make two different functions. If you are going to implement, or just try to implement your own, I will not tell. Please hurry up fast. So all of you, please try to write. And whenever you are going, you are doing questions based on matrix during the practical lab session, and if possible, then use random class. Children, hurry up fast and use the same method which I explained you when we want to transpose a square matrix. Transposing a square matrix is very easy. कौस्तुभ अग्रवाल बेटा हो जाएगा. Okay, no issues. Just write on paper and send it. And WhatsApp me if possible then. WhatsApp. Okay. You are not using any other device. So later on you can send me. Just write on paper first and then you can WhatsApp me after that. Nilay, are you attempting? Nilay, Sushmita, yes. Are you able to frame the logic? Yes. This is the main diagonal. Yes. Actually, this is the original matrix and this is the transpose of that original matrix. And after when you got the transpose, you just swap the first row column with the last one. So you will get these two columns and then swap these two columns. So the final resultant matrix will come like this. So there are two operations and these two operations I have already taught. Yes, but who is this who has sent me the code with the number ending with 772? Okay, it's correct. And after that, you simply you can print. Soumya, your code is correct, beta. Okay, now children, here I'm just going to provide you the logic for that, the code for that. Please see that. So first of all, we have to design the name of the class is transform, and here we need to make void. I'm just making a function. So enter, sorry, the matrix is it is J plus plus, and here print A of ij plus some space, and after that you need to just change the line. The first function is okay, and now here see the main method, and in the main method we will be doing everything. And since it's a square matrix, so I'm not going to receive row and column separately. I will be taking only one variable, which is n. So here now just enter the size of the square matrix, and that is n. Just initialize it. It is a n by n matrix, so this is, and after that you need to fill it. So for filling, I'm just using this random class object. So here just start a loop. A of ij will be this object dot next int, and I'm passing the value 100 here. So the matrix is filled, and now create the object of the class transform. This is the object obj transform and obj dot display. So let us check if this code is okay. So children, when you do program in lab, so in between you are writing the whole code, just please check everything whether this much part is okay or not. So the matrix is, it is the original matrix. Okay, right, it's working. So now what to do? Now I'm going to transpose it. Since I need to transform that. So how to transpose a square matrix? Earlier I explained that, so it will start from I plus 1 until it is less than n and j plus plus, and here what to do is int t will be a of ij and a of A of ij will be A of j of I, and A of j of I will be T. So the transpose we have done, and here if you print this again, you will see that the matrix is transformed. So please see that here it is 5 by 5 matrix and the transpose is there. So the matrix transpose has come like this. Now you have to transform that. So in order to transform, what we need to do is you need to swap the columns. So here we have to swap the columns, and since the matrix is a square matrix, so what to do is just uh, start a loop from 0 till it is up to number of rows I plus plus, and here you need this is for number of rows and this is for number of columns, so n by 2, and here j plus plus. Now the same variable we are going to use int t, so here int t will be a of ij, and here a of ij will be a of I n minus j minus 1, and a of I n minus j minus 1 will be t. So the transformation is complete, children. 5 by 5 matrix, and now you can see that the first column, which is this one, the first column is like this, and in a similar way the second column, which is 52, if we traverse this column from bottom, from this direction, you will see that the values are 52, 34, 36 and 1. So children, it's done. So in case if any problem you people are having, then please ask. Please ask. Class 11th. Any doubt? But these two operations we have already done. It is not like that I am teaching this operation the first time. So if you people have any doubt, then please tell. Any doubt? Lavanya? Sajal? Beta, any doubt, Lavanya? Nilay? Sajal? Apurv? Apurv Singh? Ayush Shukla? Okay, now children, one question I am just giving you. I'm just going to explain you one question, and uh, on linear array I will be showing you the code, and the same you have to apply for each and every row of the matrix. Let us see, let us have few elements like in the array like 15, 7, 27, 8 and 16. These are the elements. This is 27. Okay. And suppose it is 115. Okay. These are the elements 115, 7, 27, 8, 16. These are the elements. Now what you need to do is your task is to transform this array into a resultant array which is like this. And in this, what will happen? The largest element of this array will go at the center. The second largest element will go towards the left of this. The third largest will go towards the right. The fourth largest will go towards left. And fifth largest will go towards right. So the representation of the array will be transformed like this. So I hope that you people have understood this question, and if not, then please tell. It seems that the question is difficult, but it is not difficult. I will be telling you the logic of implementing that, but uh, please tell if you have not got this question. If you people have understood this question, then it's okay. No issues. If it is even, suppose the element is 87, then what will happen? It is 115. It is 115, then 87 will come like this, then 27, then 16, then 8, and then 7. No issues. It will not affect. You can see that the size is even here, 6 size. So the middle is 6 by 2, which is 3. So it is at the middle only. I am talking about the index number. I am talking about the index number. So it is at middle. If the size of the array is 6, then the middle index will be 3. If the size of the array is 5, then the middle index will be 2, not 2.5. I hope you people have understood this. In the question, any problem? In understanding the question? Any doubt? You all have understood this or not? Sovrat. Sovrat, are you there? Kaustubh Agarwal, Ishika Agarwal. But a question you people have understood? Saksham Kalra, Kushagra Garg, Vanisha Gupta. Okay. Now children, I'm just going to provide you the logic for that. How to do this within a single array. So here the name of the class is array transform, and here first of all what we will be needing is we need to just arrange the elements in descending order. We need to arrange that. So here void sort, and this is the array, linear array. With the help of this we will be arranging that. So here I'm just going to use bubble sorting. So that is 0 till it is less than a dot length. I hope everybody knows what is bubble sort. J will be 0 till j is less than a dot length minus I minus 1 j plus plus, and here if a of j is more than a of j plus 1. If this is the case, what to do is that t will be a of j, and a of j will be a of j plus 1, and a of j plus 1 will be t. This is what we are doing, we have done. So we have managed to sort the array in descending order, but it is actually now it is in descending order. But till now within this function, if you people have any doubts in bubble sorting, please tell. I hope everybody knows this bubble sort. Any problem with bubble sort, children? Class 11th? Any problem with bubble sort? Uh, and we can do that, but the problem will become complex then. So in practical exam, if such questions are there, so nobody will tell you, ask you how you have done. So if you can try using another method, you just go through that, no issues. But here I am just explaining you the simplest method. So here simply what I have done, I have just arranged the array in descending order, and this is the array, and this is another array I am needing. This is one, and here one more variable is needed, which is size. And wait, so these are the variables, and one variable mid we need. This mid is very important. And now in order to input the array elements, I will not be using the scanner class completely. I will be using this random class, and then scanner is needed only to enter the size. So here enter size, and that is this, initialize it, initialized, and now fill the element. No need to give the message, just start a loop, and that loop will go up to size, and here ARR of I will be this next int function passing 100. So the array is filled, and here if you want to display that, arrays dot toString passing ARR. I think all these things you people know. So let us see that this part is okay or not. The size is 7, and now you can see that these are the elements which we got entered on random basis. Okay, now the main logic begins. So here what to do is, this is the resultant array we have got, and this is the index of the array at which the largest element will come. The largest element will come here. The name of the class is array transform. So after filling it, we need to just create the object of the class, that is object new array transform, and here I need to just call this function sort passing ARR. The array is sorted, and this array is sorted in descending order, and this is what we have done. Now after we have sorted this, if I am displaying this, you can see that the array will be in descending order. Now just now I am going to explain you the logic here only. Suppose the size is 7, and you can see that this is what the array in descending order, and you have the index numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The middle also you have got, and at present the middle is 6, sorry 3. because the size is 6, the size is 7 and 7 by 2, which is 3.5, but 3.5 will not be considered since it is integer data type. That's why 3 will be considered, and this is the resultant array which you have to use. And at present, middle is representing this 3. Till now, this is what we have done. We have sorted the array in descending order, right? Then we have got the middle also. Now what to do? I'm just going to write the code. So here what to do? Start a loop that will go from 0 till size and I plus plus. One thing, children, you have to remember that in the solution, you have to move, once you have to move towards left, and another next time you have to move towards right. And this concept you people can implement using only if condition. Are you getting what I am saying? Class 11. Here I am just writing a block that if it is 0, if it is even, then move towards right. Else move towards left. This is what we have to do. And after that, here we are printing the original array before sorting, and the same here, this is BRR. Okay, so here we will be printing the which is BRR. So with the help of this code, we have to move towards left, and once we have to move towards left, and once we have to move towards right. And we have already got the middle. So let us have the running example here. Suppose these are the values, which is 5, 16, 71, 33. These are the elements. And we have arranged the elements in descending order also, but these are on you cannot see the elements in descending order, but these are. So first time when I is 0, what will happen? It is even, we have to move towards right. What is the size of the array? 4. The size of the array is 4. And here the resultant array index numbers are these. The mid is here. What to do? Here I am just writing BRR of mid plus I is equals to ARR of I. If I am doing this, initially the value of I is 0, mid is 2, 2 plus 0, it will not change. And 71 will come at index number 2. And here I am just writing mid is equals to mid plus I. It will not change because I is 0. So it will remain at index number 2. Now I becomes 1. And when I becomes 1, it is the odd number, which is the another block. So here what to do? BRR of mid minus I is equals to ARR of I. and here we should write mid is equals to mid minus I. What is happening here? I is 1. Previously mid was 2. 2 minus 1, which is index number 1. And the second largest element will come towards the left. That is 33. And after that, mid is equals to mid minus I will happen. It simply means that mid will also change. Now mid is at index number 1. And the second largest element also we have stored at index number 1. And now what we are going to do, I becomes 2. I becomes 2, it means we are going to pick the third highest element. And this time I is 2. It is even. This block, mid is at 1. 1 plus 2, which is index number 3. So index number 3 will receive this element and immediately mid will change. Now this time mid has come at index number 3. What for? And now I becomes 3. When I becomes 3, again odd, 3 minus 3, which is 0. And the first element will come at index number 0. It's over. The transformation has been done. If anybody has not understood, then please tell. This is an excellent logic of shifting the elements left, right, considering the highest element at the center of the array. So if you people have not understood, please tell. Class 11th. Yes, class 11th. Any problem with this code? Lavanya, Shushmita, Arun Pandey. Now, children, what you have to do, I'm just giving one question, and that question is, as I have done with a linear array, what you have to do? You have to do the same process with each and every row of the matrix separately. And then every row of the matrix will be transformed like this. So it will take time, just think for it. But whatever till date, whatever I have taught you in matrix, if you know that properly, you will be able to solve that. So here I'm just posting this code on GCR. But at GCR I'm posting, so what is the purpose of posting it on chat box? Chat box is having limitation, some limitations. And here what to do is, this is what transformation also. The same code. Uh, yes, children. Now with each and every row, any problem, children? Listen, I'm just helping you. I told you the code of extracting each and every row, na? What you need to do is just extract each and every row one by one and pass it in a linear array. Sort in descending order and then again fill that row in the matrix. Wapas. So this is the simplest method of doing that. So all of you please try this question at home. Until now, if you have any problem, you can ask. Now, children, I am sharing the link of Google Form so that you can mark your attendance. I am providing you the link in the chat box. So please mark your attendance, and after marking the attendance, if anybody is having any doubt, you can stay, otherwise leave the session. Yes, if anybody is having any doubt, please ask.